What if the secret to winning arguments and staying composed in the face of hostility wasn't in some modern psychology book, but in the words of a first-century preacher? Jesus of Nazareth was no Stoic philosopher, but he was a master of human psychology, and the parallels in their thinking are truly remarkable. He used specific, powerful phrases that gave him immense rhetorical power and an unbreakable inner peace. Once you understand these techniques, they can transform how you navigate every conversation. This isn't about religion, it is a masterclass in communication and mental resilience. This statement is a profound call to embrace difficulty. It deeply resonates with the Stoic idea known as amor fati, a love of one's fate. The Stoics believed that the obstacle in the path becomes the path. Jesus personalizes this concept. He's not just saying, endure hardship. He's telling you to willingly accept your specific personal burdens as the very road to strength and purpose. In a conversation, this mindset is unbeatable. When you accept a tough critique not as an attack, but as part of your journey, you take away your opponent's power. You're no longer a victim of the situation, but an active participant in your own growth. Our culture often mistakes meekness for weakness, but in both Stoic and Christian thought, it can be understood as a form of profound self-control. The Greek word praus literally means gentle or mild, but it's popularly interpreted as power under control. Think of a powerful warhorse, perfectly trained, perfectly gentle. This phrase wins conversations not by overpowering the other person, but by showing such deep inner strength that you don't need to. While others fly off the handle, the meek person stays calm, steering the conversation with a quiet authority. It's a powerful reminder that real strength isn't about having the loudest voice, but the most disciplined mind. The Stoics taught that our main job is to focus on our own character, not the flaws of others. As the Emperor Marcus Aurelius put it, be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. Jesus' command to judge not is a brilliant move in rhetorical defense. When you refuse to get sucked into judging or condemning someone, you instantly elevate the conversation. You shift the focus from personal attacks back to principles. This isn't just a moral suggestion, it's a strategic tool. It disarms gossip, deflects slander, and shows you're a person of fairness, and that makes your own arguments far more persuasive. This might be the most radical and powerful phrase of all. The Stoics aimed for equanimity, to be undisturbed by others, and a kind of universal benevolence. Jesus takes this into deeply personal territory. To love your enemy is the ultimate psychological win. It is a flat-out refusal to meet anger with more anger. In a heated argument, this response is completely disarming to an aggressor. They expect you to be angry or afraid, but when you respond with goodwill instead, their whole strategy falls apart. This isn't about being a pushover. It's about seizing control of the emotional tone of the entire interaction, and that puts you in a position of incredible strength and peace. This is a direct parallel to the Stoic focus on the present moment. The Stoics believe that anxiety comes from reliving the past or fearing the future, two things we have no control over. Jesus' teaching here is a powerful tool for mental peace. In a tense negotiation or a difficult conversation, a mind that's stuck on "what if" has already lost. By concentrating completely on the present, on the words being spoken right now, you can respond with clarity and purpose. This approach allows you to operate from a place of calm focus, no matter what's happening around you. The Stoics argued that virtue is the only true good. They saw things like wealth, status, and success as indifferent, things that have zero impact on a person's moral worth. This question from Jesus is a brilliant reframing of what truly matters. It wins any argument about ambition or money by completely changing the scoreboard. While others are bickering about profit margins or social status, this phrase pulls everyone back to first principles. What's the real goal here? It's a powerful reminder that your integrity is worth more than any external prize, a truth that will anchor you in any debate. In the Garden of Gethsemane, while facing unimaginable suffering, Jesus speaks this ultimate Stoic-like phrase. It perfectly embodies the idea of accepting what is outside our control. The Stoics taught submission to the Logos, the divine reason that governs the universe. This phrase is the peak of mental strength. It's an admission that while we can control our own actions, our own choices, we cannot control the outcome. In any high-stakes conversation where the result is uncertain, this mindset frees you from the anxiety of needing to win. You do your best, you speak your truth, and you accept the outcome with peace, protecting your inner calm no matter what happens. While they stand on different foundations, one on rational self-mastery, the other on divine grace, the practical wisdom of the Stoics and the teachings of Jesus offer a timeless guide to a powerful life. These 7 phrases are more than just words. They are psychological tools. They teach us to embrace our burdens, control our impulses, stay in the present, and act with unshakable integrity. By bringing this ancient wisdom into your life, you can learn to navigate any conversation, not just to win, but to lead it from a place of profound inner peace and strength.